Si Val po yung motor.
This is good.
Siya po yung nag-English. She is,
I think I'll get have
hindi
some
mo babae.
more.
Muro, kita mo, tanga ka pala eh.
You
Tanga ka pala eh,
stupid!
sinagot ka tanga ka pala.
Kahit mo ito alam eh. Oo, tanga ka. Ano yung moron? Tanga.
This is good. I have some more
Wala
for
tao.
this.
Ayaw, no, moron.
Alam mo na ngayon.
Alam mo na,
Alam mo na.
Oo, moron, di ba?
I think this was good.
Oo, kita mo, pare.
Sige po, magtanong na po kayo, pero huwag na po kayong ano.
Here goes some good.
Sabi na,
Here
where?
goes some.
Makuha yun.
That's about this.
Where?
Okay.
Ayun yun. Ay, sorry. Ano po, hindi po. Ano ba yan? Hindi mo
Just
alam
ako
yung
kasi talaga
kapitbahay.
gumawa
Pasok sa loob. Pumasok sa loob. Ganun na.
Oo, di pwede. Hindi mag-jump inside, palilit ng tatlo, alam mo.
Tama, pare. Magpapos ka naman. Pamilitsani.
Walang mahilig doon, magkakasakay.
Oo, kami check. Hindi, I'm withdrawal. Lagi ako mag-withdraw. Boss daw, ito withdrawal. Come to me. Come to me.
Sorry kayo.
I see you now, gago.
Ayun na.
I see you.
I see your shiny hair.
Boss, tapos, I see you.
I see you, I see you. Ayan, oh. Yan. I see your scalp. So shiny.
Tawag ka magbalo, gago ka ba? Tinan mo, sinabi lang yung boss, oh. Init talaga, oh. Tinan mo, init.
Oo nga, no. Mataas, oh.
Oh, mataas?
Oo, ayun, pare, oh. Tatlo.
Oh, shit.
Hindi, apat.
Taas na, boss.
Pare, 5.
Kahapon, taas na.
Oo nga, pare. Taas ang bundunan ko. Ayok ka. Tarikado ka, ah. Ayun, oh. Naging mo.
Flashlight. Ano yung flashlight mo?
Ayun,
Di ba kita mo yun?
ayun, oh. Hindi, gusto mo ipakita ko. Ayun,
Just some this blood.
Gago, sinabi talaga, boss.
Oo, boss daw.
Boss, nakita eh. Boss daw.
Boss, sabi, I see you.
I look like Max Ekita. I look like angry as well.
She is talking. Gago, sino she? Ako lalaki. He is talking. You what? You story. You story what?
You told them story.
You still doing story. Any talk to me. Talk to you. Dudugo ilong natin.
Yes.
English yan eh.
Yeah, I look like dumb as me.
Hindi, Tagalog yun. Eh kasi ito mo sinabihan kita ng kanina. Moron. Moron ka daw. Oh, scream. Sigaw ka na. You shout.
Screen?
Scream. Scream.
Yun yung mga screen ng cellphone nyo. Wait.
Pasok.
Gago, tinawag daw ng boss.
Boss daw, boss. Boss.
Boss, I see you daw.
Bubuyo kita mo. Nag-retalk dito.
Ano mo yung kasi turtle?
Bubuyo. Boss, may tissue pa. Ah.
I don't like.
Mahal daw niya tayo na.
You don't sorry. You are do not hurt.
Hindi kasama tayo ano eh.